It is I. And hello to you out there. Here we go, let's try this. Oh, there we go. Follow me around. Oh no, you're not doing that. Okay. Right. Quick one today, because what I'm going to do is just test whether I can stream like this from the same machine from which I work. You know, in my old computer, that was sometimes asking a bit much, particularly with Avid. So I've got Avid loaded up here, and I'm going to stream from the same machine, whereas previously I had a separate old computer to actually do the streaming. So let's hit this button. Yes, and now to the actual stuff. I've taken that little clip we just played, I've loaded it into Avid here, and Avid seems happy. Let's make a little sequence. Let's call it a test. Oh no, I should be able to. I wonder if I. Yeah, see, I can go into my different screens. Left screen. Oh no, that's not right. Wrong button. Left screen. Right. Left screen, right screen, and this main screen. I haven't, for some reason, Avid isn't seeing my Blackmagic card, so here is blank. Don't seem to have the option to output, although my computer can see the Blackmagic card fine. I can see it's got power. I don't know why that is, so that's something to investigate. Right, let's stick a few shots down. Let's use this kind of thing here. It's happening. Probably not the best shot because you can't see the edit points because it's all just gobbledygook. Let's cut that in there. Avid seems happy enough. I should point out that I've only just updated it today. So we are working with Avid 2024.12. And I believe it's been optimized for Apple Silicon. It may even be, don't quote me on this, it may even be the first version to run genuinely natively on Apple Silicon without that kind of Rosetta translation layer that they had been using. There was something in the release notes about being far better on Apple Silicon, so that can only help me. It certainly seems, I mean, this is the simplest project with one clip and one sequence, but it certainly seems quite sprightly, and it's very responsive. I should really dig around my system and see if I've got an old project of Avid's that's large. So I'll have a hunt for that. So it seems fine. The other thing I can do, I don't know if you can see under the, oh, I've got the wrong logo. Let's I need to reconfigure all my setup, but I should be able to, if I can find it, change the thing in the middle, not Final Cut, Avid, there we go. For it's an Avid day. Okay, so we've got Avid in the middle. That's fine. But underneath the Avid logo, you should, if I hit the A key, see all my key presses. So if I hit Control S to save, you can see Control S here. So you can see which buttons I'm pushing, which is, in case you're wondering if I've done something and you think, oh, that's something I want to avoid doing, you can see what I did. Now, that all seems fine. What I'll have to do is try some major editing. But right, so I'll dig out a big project. I need to sort out the Blackmagic for some reason is not happy. But I do have my little key press thing there. Ooh. And if I'm jumping back in the timeline, you can see it's A that I'm pressing and it's S to go the other way. Or I can do the same thing with the up and down arrows. See, I quite like that. And if this works, I can sell the old computer. I don't need two computers. I've tried using it, and this was the only thing I was using it for. So if my new one's powerful enough to edit and stream, then I don't need that old one. But what do I need? Blackmagic card. I need to figure out what's happening there. And that's about it. Let's close this down. Let's close Avid. And it shouldn't disappear from my screen. The other thing is, it was hard to share the separate screens when I was using a different computer. I had to share the whole desktop and then zoom in, and it made it a bit fuzzy. So yes, leave the application. So this should mean that that just goes away. I'll load up. And it means that you can't see my email and all that, which is on my desktop and my notes and everything. You don't need to see these things. So, and also I couldn't get my camera working. My DSLR Canon webcam utility installed okay, and it seems happy, but it wouldn't give me an image. Maybe a restart would solve that. But here we are in Final Cut. Oh, Final Cut's seen the Blackmagic fine. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. So now what I have to do in OBS is just change. Ooh, everything's in the wrong place. But if I just change the application to Final Cut on one side and then the other side. There we go. And here's the little thing. Alright, well that seems happy-ish. Yeah. If I play it. Okay. Okay, good to know. Good to know. I think that makes it simpler for various things. Controlling the kind of audio channels should be simpler. I can do my little key press jobby thing there in the middle, and I can sell my old computer. So this is good to know. Right, okay, I'll try this again tomorrow. I won't bore you while I troubleshoot it, but I needed to actually stream something to make sure that it is streaming and it is taxing my machine in that way while I'm working. But it seems perfectly happy. It's not dropping frames. It's not the best thing to. Let's try this. These little things shot on my phone. And then if I go up to make it full screen, and then back to me, and then, oh my goodness. Oh. Okie dokie. And then I'll do little intros and outros and have some fun with that, and then see how we get on. But in the meantime, if I push this button, it should play a little VT to see us out. but because I'm just testing it, it's the same VT as this bloody thing. But I'll play it and bid you farewell. And in fact, iron out the kinks later on today. I could maybe have some fun tomorrow. Oh God, who knows? Right, signing off, and that's promising though. I'm quite encouraged, and I hope you are too.